Brushing again. Father's Day edition. That's all we need. Got both boys today. 2 minutes and I didn't haven't had time. Okay. This is not easy. Cameron. Please stand up. There, my good patient. My good patient. Please put your hands down. Cameron. Thank you. You have to get in the right position every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes.
Eat. Yeah.
Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Good job. Done brushing. Alright, now it's time to floss. Come on. Open, please. Put your hand down. Thank you. Open. Bless you. Bless you. Gotta be able to do everything at the same time, at all times. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Where are you going? It takes this much work. Done flossing. Relax. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. This is not easy. Very hard. I'm gonna do it every day. Twice a day. For 2 minutes. Good job. Done brushing. Now we floss. That's enough. This is not easy. Come on. Please. Chase, please. And just floss. Spit. Come on. You do that click. Open. You need to know and see each and every tooth. Your child's teeth. Not easy. And if your child cannot tie their shoes, they can brush their teeth or floss. We're done.